Okay, HVAC system. I'm going to check temps on. There we go. Ambient temp 74. 60 degrees coming out of there. Pick that up. There we go. 66 degrees. Good. And here. 68 degrees. Good. Let's head upstairs. Oh, man. Check this bedroom. 66. Wonderful. 59. A little bit closer there, so it's going to be a little bit colder. Oh, 63, 64 degrees. So pretty consistent. All the vents are fully operational at the moment. There we go. Good. Okay, good. All vents are operational. Now, we'll take a look at the AC unit itself. AC unit is on the west side of the home here, out along the fence line. It's a Lennox unit paired with your furnace. 3-ton unit. See there, that's that indication there. Built 2014. Nice stable unit on its own plinth. Good insulation around your AC condenser line. And no bearing noise, no fan noise. Hi there.
Are you working on the house?
No, I'm doing a home inspection.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is somebody moving in?
I think somebody's got an offer on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You bet. Okay. One of your neighbors. We're going to head back upstairs and take a look at the furnace. So there's some noise coming out of the furnace, and we're going to be recommending maintenance to it. You can hear sounds like fan blades or maybe a bearing for the blower motor. Okay. Shut off AC. There we go. Good, exhaust motor just kicked on. It's going to purge for a few minutes. Okay. Tough to see in there, but see that serial number indicates 2014 as well. 66,000 BTUs. Glow plug's lit already. Should kick on here quickly. Nice clean ignition. Gas-fired unit, obviously. Gas drip leg in place, that's good. And here's your gas shut-off. Rotate that 90 degrees to shut off there. Drain line for your condenser in place. Filter housing is down below here. Exhaust venting out through the roof. Taped in place well. No attic access to the unit, so we won't be able to look at your ducting. We'll probably recommend servicing. You can hear that rattle again. Recommend servicing and a duct clean. So that's about it.